Hi there, welcome back. Today we have started our new video series about our food application. This application is so much robust and is fully dynamic and customizable. It's a lots of features. So already I just provide the overview of our entire project, but I want to summarize once again. So actually here, look at this. You see the project features, and this features there is a lot of features. So look at that. So here is this is the live URL of devexplorers.com, and go to the project features. You will we see the entire project of these features. So look at that. This is the database backup under construction mode. It's so much attractive and so much features. Look at this. There are a lot of features. For this study purpose, I just provide the entire scenario in front of you, right? So here is this is our backend. This backend is really powerful, and this application we just start and finish to our scratch to production mode. I just show step by step. Look at that. So, here is the manage website, and this is the maintains. Okay, it's very interesting features. If you just for this under construction purpose for our WordPress website looks like, look at that. This maintains mode is enabled. When you maintenance mode is enabled, and this project will be automatically under construction mode. Okay. User not visited, is and everything didn't go any route, and whatever any path. So definitely if you just check it out, and then now this route should be working. Okay. So lots of things, and also here is this for database backup is one of the most interested figure. If you want for new backup, and look at that, database backup is created successfully, and this is this to 23rd September 2025, and this backup, and if you want to download, and this backup is automatically downloaded. So now the download is start, and if you just so much attractive and so much dynamic this project. So step by step better we just scratch to production level development. Okay. So here look at that. Here is the git. I just show this git is public, is open for the port is public. So if you came in here, and also download this project specifically. So we just got is and every commit in here. So better, so we just start for this project. Okay. So now starting a project, we need some command. Here, first of all, we need to install for Laravel, and also as well as we need to authentication. In this project we also used default Laravel authentication system Breeze. This authentication is very secure and most powerful. We just use for Breeze in here. Okay, so just copy from this command. Here we use for our VS code editor. I just prefer for this because lots of plugin and essential development toolkit in this editor. So it's a very environment to development environment friendly. Actually, it's very environment friendly. We just honestly. So here go to and just following the path, and just press the command composer global require Laravel installer. You just install for this. It's keep some time, so better when the command is completed, then we came back. Now also just this completed, and then press another command or new example app. Actually, this is the our uh, project name, root name. So better we just example, we just example that. It took a little bit of time. Here is this. Which starter kit would you like to install? Here we just put, there is only Blade in use, not React, Vue or Library, JavaScript framework, so better none. Which testing framework do you prefer? Here is we just paste, so this is press 0. So is started. It's took little bit of time. Okay, here take a look. Let's see. Here is this. Which database will your application is used? So we just definitely to choose MySQL. Okay. Actually, this time we don't want to migrate database, so better we just put no. It's take little bit of time. Now in here, look at that. Would you like to run npm install and npm run build? So here, just press yes. It's take a little bit of time. Now the process will be finished. So go to directory, for example lab. Okay. Now PHP artisan server. Okay. Okay. The server will be running. Just press copy. Now paste, and this browser is a fresh Laravel default boilerplate. You have to sync for that. So now we need to install our breeze. So now go to the VS Code. So now create for another terminal. Go to the path. Fine. Now put the following command. Composer required Laravel breeze look like in here. The breeze starting process continue. It's take time, so better it's finished. We came back when it's finished. Okay, fine. Now we need for another command PHP artisan breeze install. Okay, so that's it. Look at that. Who is breeze stuck? Would you like to install? Definitely Blade. Okay, Blade. Would you like to direct more support if you want? But if yes, it's better. Here we just use to prefer paste. So 0. It's take quite time. Okay, and now npm install. And once again npm run dev. Though it's not needed because previously we have done this, and so just close, press the Ctrl C, and here look at that. We just got en.env. Just wait. Here you see that this is our Database name example app, not example app. We just keep food order tutorial. And if you want some different name, you can choose it, no problem whatsoever. So now go to php This is our browser, and this here is this food order tutorial. Okay, so here is this, it's a no data. So now we give the command for php artisan migrate and then show this data. Okay, and now put the command php artisan migrate. So migrative is done, and also we see the table of those table we see the PHP my admin. Okay, now just keep reload. I hope all of this table will came in here, and look at it. The table already comes in here. Okay, so now in here keep reload and look at it. This is a login and registration will become. This is the default bridge of the authentication in Laravel and here. But be remember for that we don't use for this default login UI. We in here we replace for our template UI like login and registration page. In this project in backend we have to use. I just show you, and here this is our backend, and this template will be showing here, and all of these things will be dynamic step by step. Okay, so this is the very cool template. Have you ever seen? This is a promisable template, and looks like the professional. And this template we just customize for in here. This is a default pause. This looks like it's a dynamic. Okay, look at the live URL. You see this is the live URL. Though is not here in pause, but step by step we just manage for this very cool template. And literally it's a very clean UI and user friendly features, and looks literally nice. Lot of things in here, all of this necessary development uh, widget available in here. So okay, fine. Keep with us, Dev Explorers. We just start for scratch, and finally build for production. So if you need this project, so humble request, please contact us for via WhatsApp. We just provide the entire source codes for very reasonable price, and also install for local server or cPanel. So okay, thank you so much. Let's see for this next video.